capture your duppy. Woo!
Look at the queue. I will not be eating fucking pancakes anytime soon. Especially not when I come here.
Oh, you just like the ones that I make now?
Yes. I'm paying.
Toilets are clean. I was just going to say, toilets are quite tiny though. Fucking hell. I didn't even have anywhere to take my coat off. If you book 2 small ones, what I might do is just book our 2 small ones as priority boarding, because that actually works out better, because then you could have a small one and I could have a small one, plus our backpacks, and that's only extra £7, I think.
I haven't booked anything yet.
So I
The
don't
deal
know.
don't come with that, does it?
No, it doesn't, no.
And I still have to work out yeah, try and sell it.
Yeah, to someone that you kind of know.
Ideally.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't care. I'm not bothered. But that would be preferable.
Yeah. You have to find out if Alexis is still interested. I can't think of anybody else.
No, I've asked a few people. Christina was annoying because she said even if she didn't take the festival ticket, she was quite interested.
In just the holiday.
Yeah. And then she said, I can't. I've had 2 brides let me down at no notice with dresses that are half made. And I've had all sorts taken out.
So like Joanne will buy one of you.
Well, Joanne can't.
She's so
She
funny.
doesn't know where she is or she with anything. But if you're somewhat ahead of her, she's not going to be. Things wouldn't have changed for her by then, would they? Looking at the pace things have gone along for you.
I think it's a little bit different for me.
Like,
Because they're hung up on this whole idea that he doesn't know me. But it's like, well, children are so adaptable and they get to know you anyways. Do you know what I mean? Like, it only took Colleen, 2 years to completely forget who his dad was at that age.
yeah.
Because Colleen was 2, and by the time his dad rocked back up when he was about 4, he was like, who's that strange man following us, Mum? I looked by and it was his fucking dad.
Oh, God.
So I was like, oh, right. Then he got pissy with me, calling, why are you teaching him to call me a strange man? I said, no, well, it is a strange man
You are
following him.
strange.
Yeah,
You are a
they've not
man.
seen you in years. So I think,
Did you email me the Croatia stuff?
yeah, I think so.
What do you want? The dates?
No, I just want to see like what
You
what
have to
luggage,
log into
what luggage you
our,
have.
No, you won't have luggage.
We haven't got,
That's always an add-on, isn't it?
no. Oh, now Janelle wants to message me. What's it, Love Holidays? Let me log on to the thing.
It's love holidays. I don't know who they put you with, but I am with.
We're on the same flight, love.
Oh, are we?
Yeah. That was what we
Okay.
booked, and then we were all going to the airport together.
Alright. It's with.
From Luton, isn't it?
Wizz Air.
Wizz Air.
Yeah.
From Luton. Where's my
And, because I've looked at it, they charge £50 each way for a name change. Got a load of wicked
yeah, a
fucking
lot
people.
of
They see it as an opportunity.
flights do that. Who is it? Thomas Cook, I think, is £70.
Wicked people.
Thank you. Lovely day again, isn't it?
Yeah, really nice. Yeah, it's nice shirt. I suppose they do have to do that prep, because otherwise they'd be drowned.
I still can't see what that big thing does.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, remember there's a pub there on the corner as we come out of our stream. You go in there. Die bekeerde suster.
You can hear it in the school playground.
where would you like to go? I will.
Take a pick.
Let's try this way.
Okay, you want to go this way?
Because that's like near the square, and that's gonna be like more touristy and more.
Okay.
It's our hotel. Oops, sorry. Are you gonna put it on for me?
No?
Mark it. Chill out. And maybe even ask them to put on a Netflix for us.
Yeah. And give us a quill.
It's a barber shop. No, we have to turn left and walk for a bit. Watch out.
Yeah, I saw 3. No, I reckon
No,
you wouldn't have found yourself up here. You'd have gone to the one in the middle.
No, it's the one, because the one you gave me, it's got a name, but they have different names.
Oh, I know where it is. It's down there.
I think Maxine's probably at the coffee shop already. Oh. Like, they should have said, like, bring your use and throw it in here. Oh, you can put a tip down.
Hi.
Me neither.
Nice
Alright,
pictures.
take care. Yeah, a little bit, yeah. Thank you. Maxine with a smiley face.
But Betsy's always in front of us, and the minute she's behind us, we think we've lost her.
Oh yeah, it's got a. It's like if you're together, you walk next to each other.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, sometimes it's like, you know, there's three people coming on the other side.
Yeah.
Like, you know.
But that's why some people find it hard to go up, because you just walk the top. You want to go down there?
supposed to be in it? Is it not happening today or not?
Look there, look.
Oh, really?
2 minutes.
Should we cross over?
Yeah.
Because it seems like everyone is coming from that side.
Oh wow, well we might not make it then. We might have to look, check it out when we... Right, see the lover station?
Yeah.
I would say just check this a minute, 'cause I ain't got my glasses, make sure we haven't got to go into the physical ticket office to get a hard copy ticket. We have with the other one. Yeah. Don't waste our time. Anyway, for about an hour.
Which one?
The hot pot cheese mixed fresh with all the chopped chilies on it.
Oh, should we go in quickly?
Now this is the meatball.
There's our place on the corner.
Oh look, we could have breakfast here.
What is it? $3.50 gets
Is someone tired of the...
Ham and cheese. Ham and cheese for breakfast, ham and cheese for lunch.
ham and cheese, ham and cheese, ham and cheese? Afhaal, hamien.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
Maybe it is. Hang on, are we on the right street or is it one of them?
I'm sure the other place is red.
Yeah, it's on the next.